So here I am on a motorcycle again. I guess I'm getting older because I got a Super Duke GT. It happened to be a great price, and I've always wanted a Super Duke, so here we are. Oh my god. Okay, this thing pulls like a motherfucker. So I'm just getting used to this bike. Yeah, this thing is bonkers. We just got these, like, I don't know, several weeks ago. I think I've had mine maybe a month, probably not. Maybe a month? I think I've had it a month. So the second time I've ridden this bike. These mirrors are terrible. Hopefully we'll be replacing these soon. This is my first time using these mirrors. Oh, that's why they're not adjusted. But yeah, this thing was, it's a 2016 Super Duke GT. Awesome motorcycle so far. That's where I broke down earlier. Not earlier, but last week, I guess. Mine has the suspension error.
Mine has low tire pressure.
Okay.
I just pressed really hard and it went away.
Nice. Just KTM things. Warning, suspension. Yeah, okay. I really like the engine. Really, it's a pussycat down low. I mean, I haven't wrung its neck yet. Just woohoo! I'm riding to work today, so yeah, I've got 20 miles on it personally. Yeah, it's got 10, 9, 12, so almost 11,000 miles for 2016. So she's like, I don't know, what is it, 10 years old? First time back on a bike in like 6 years, 5 or 6 years. I think in 2020. Yeah, ultimately, I would like to travel. We've got dogs, so I'm not really sure how to do that. But right now, we really only have one motorcycle that goes over 70 miles an hour. Like I said, we have the Grom, but that baby's not exactly fast. It does need a louder exhaust though. If I can hear the Grom while being on a Super Duke, exhaust needs to be louder on this thing. I definitely like the looks of the Super Duke R more than I do the GT, but the GT's definitely growing on me. It's not a bad looking bike, but hopefully we have a great relationship together. She treats me well, I treat her well, and we have fun. We're going to attempt to take off this what looks like Plastidip and then clean it up, sand it, put some adhesion promoter on it, and rhino line it. Judy, your big old booty looks good. Much better, and the bars. I feel like such a noob. But I'm definitely not in my 20s anymore. I'm way closer to my 40s than I am my 20s. And I think I just kind of, like I said, I want to travel. I don't need to be like knee down, and that's why I think that the Super Duke, while being my dream bike, getting the GT probably was the correct choice. It's makes me want to stick my elbows out like on a dirt bike. Damn, it's got a little bit more, I guess, comfortable seating position, a little higher bars, I think a little narrower bars, and then it's got the windscreen, which actually is pretty darn good. The wind buffet's not bad. Now I'm not going very fast, but I think that it's it's the right choice. For the price, you really can't beat it. You can't find them on Marketplace for the price that I got it. So, like I said, hoping that this thing is in good shape and we have a great relationship. We're out for a little Sunday ride on our Super Dukes. So we have named this one. I don't have my bags on today, but we have named this one, and her name is Judy. Big Booty Judy. These Super Dukes really straighten out a road. Well, let me tell you, what an awesome machine. control. See, that's why Super Duke GTs and Super Dukes in general, or modern bikes, are awesome. Woo! I'm old and my hand hurts. Wow, this one has so much go. That's so cute. We are on the Super Duker. I'll have to figure out where it likes. It's so much quieter, I can't hear it. Where it likes its rev range. Now I'm not shitting on the GT, but this thing is like, you think it and it goes. Woo, way more, way stiffer suspension, that's for sure. Damn, I forgot about that one. Definitely not used to this thing. I don't know, but this bike is fun. This bike is very, very fun. It has power, so much torque. Suspension is so much different. You're giving that thing the beans, man.
What?
You're giving it the beans. Well, I hope you liked the vlog. I know it was a little jumping around, but I hope it was entertaining and you get to laugh a little and enjoy a little of our goofy antics. We love these Dukes. Hopefully they continue to love us. And get naked, everyone.